senior citizen suffering from a knee injury. Doctor has suggested various physiotherapy exercises for the patient for the fast recovery and told the patient to visit the clinic after every week. Now that the problem lies here, the patient struggles to visit the clinic every week, waits in long queue, gets demotivated, and it's really a tiring and boring process because doing same exercises daily without any excitement is exhausting. Don't you guys get bored doing same exercises daily without any fun?
We have built Rehabit, where you earn points by exercising daily. And the crazy part is, you can use those points to redeem gifts in real life. Let's see how it works.
We have dual portal here. This is for the patient portal as for the doctor portal. We successfully log in. Now, what are the main features in our website? First, we have the check posture. We can have both the front as well as sidewards profile and posture detection. This is giving us you have the excellent upright posture. Also, we have the watch demos so that you know in what way you have to perform all the designated exercises. So, first of all, we have the activity heat map where we are going to get every day our on what day how many sessions we have completed. Then we have the leaderboard where we are basically competing but in a positive way, like to make yourself motivated. Then we have the points and rating system to also keep you motivated, and we have the most very great part that according to these points we can also redeem various goodies that are sponsored by the companies. And we have the strict system, total session and average accuracy is calculated here. Start exercise session where so it's giving us current accuracy and also giving us the rep count. Going for the doctor portal, this is for doctors to keep the track of their patient, like they can also give their plans according to or extend their plan so that he can see that if his or her patient is performing every exercise regularly every day. So for example, Ansh, his progress is 100%, session 32-3 and last active today, to keep a doctor updated as well. So this is all about the doctor portal.
We have also built an educational game which will teach them everything about physiotherapy through interesting 1v1 stories which will educate them how to prevent any type of physiotherapy in future in an interactive way. What if user doesn't feel like to open the app again and again to record the exercise? For that, we have integrated a hardware feature too. Just have a look at it.
We have used ECG electron pad being connected to the ECG sensors with our microcontroller, that is Arduino Uno, that is being used for the precise accuracy and calculation of the physical arm's movement.
As you can see, there's no movement shown in the graph when the hand is still. But when a hand is performing an activity, there's a movement shown in the graph, which will detect the physical movement done by the patient. We have used oximeter and heart rate sensor that is being used for the measurement of oxygen level and the heart rate.